I'm so happy that I knocked fear in the face and I said yes to this amazing opportunity. So, my name is Allison, and I'm a special needs mom who cannot work out of the house. When I was on TikTok, I saw a live video that was talking about a 2 hour workday and learning how to make daily pay. And I said, oh my God, I need to try this. And I am so happy that I did because I am literally not even 2.5 months in. I made $13,000, $13,000 as a complete newbie. And I stink at technology. So I was so scared that I was going to need technology. I did not. So I'm just saying it has been such a dream come true. This community that we have got added into is absolute gold. Everybody wants everybody to win, and it's nothing like I've ever seen before. So I'm just so happy that I said yes to this, that I'm learning absolutely all the skills that I need. And I know when I look back at this a year from now, I'm going to be a part of that $1 million club. So it's amazing. Very, very amazing. I'm so happy I said yes.